In celebration of Labor Day 2026, Jamaica is batting for unity and progress through a comprehensive overhaul of Sabina Park. This initiative underscores our commitment to rebuilding our sporting heritage, transforming setbacks into a spectacular century of resilience and revival. Just like in cricket, success depends on collaboration, both on the pitch and within the community.
Why not? Former cricketer, obvious. Kingston Club also form a part of this property, and it was a well-needed uplift. And listen, sometimes I hear people talk about things and things like that and just talk. This is action time. And if the government choose Jamaica, Kingston Cricket Club and Jamaica playing field, that Jamaica play their game, then why not put yourself in the ring as well?
Volunteers are on the front foot, painting the iconic pavilion, sweeping the pitch, and installing new facilities, working tirelessly to meet international cricket standards. This renovation ensures Jamaica's rightful return to the Caribbean Premier League CPL stage, ready to face the world with renewed confidence and spirit. Labor Day reminds us that teamwork, dedication, and community spirit are the true wicket takers, both on and off the field.
And I decided to give back because I think it's important to give back to the community. Always growing up, I've always heard about Sabina Park. I've come here and watched a couple of cricket matches as well, so to just refresh and rejuvenate the place I think was very important, and I'm happy to give a helping hand.
Our collective effort is a boundary shot for national pride, setting us up for a victorious innings ahead.
Sabina Park was chosen by the government as one of the two, I'm not sure if it's 2 or 3, but I know that there's a National Labor Day project in Louisville in St. Elizabeth, and then Sabina Park was also chosen as a venue for a National Labor Day project. So there's a lot of activity happening around here. There's a lot of painting going on, and this has been going on for quite a few days. So I think today is a culmination of what has been happening all week, because the Army has been here all week doing a lot of metal work and just general upkeep of the stadium. Right?
Jamaica is making sure it's ready to host the world, more resilient, united, and prepared to hit it out of the park. Sabina Park isn't just a cricket ground. It's a symbol of our resilience, a testament to the power of community, a stage set for future champions. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.